Welcome to the VT Weekly Update. I'm Mrs. Wolf.
And I am Count Chocolate.
Where we've been keeping it squiddelicious in the village since 2013. We want to say thank you for giving to the North Texas Giving Day. We raised over $37,000.
And as always, we go with chocolate also. So we started September 18th, going through October 20th. Sell that chocolate. We got great big goals. 40,000 is our goal. How do we do that? Good question. Yes, take a box home, sell, bring the money up to Village Tech, and sell some more. We can do this. Thank you.
Go sell your chocolate. We want to give a special shout out to Andrew Weikel today. Woo! Go Andrew. And finally, we want to say that Hispanic Heritage Month celebrations are ongoing. Thank you for dressing up and participating. There will be assemblies coming soon. If you would like to participate, please email Grito at vtcultura at villagetechschools.org. That's vtcultura at villagetechschools.org. Thank you for watching the weekly update.